In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete birthday on Google Calendar. By the end, you'll know the quickest way to find a birthday event and remove it so it no longer shows up on your schedule. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to google.com. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account, especially if you use multiple accounts for work and personal life. This ensures you're editing the right calendar. In the top right corner of the Google homepage, click the Google Apps icon. It looks like a small grid of dots. This menu houses all your Google services in one place. If you don't immediately see what you need, you can scroll within this panel to reveal more apps. From the Apps menu, choose Calendar. This opens Google Calendar in a new tab. Give it a second to load your events. If you have many calendars, that's okay. We're going to use search to find the birthday quickly. At the top of Calendar, click the search icon, the small magnifying glass. Search is the fastest way to jump straight to a specific event and skip scrolling through months. It works across all your visible calendars. In the search bar, type the word birthday and press enter. This will pull up events that match that term. If you're seeing a lot of results, you can refine by adding a name, like Birthday John, but simply searching birthday usually surfaces what you need right away. From the results, click the specific birthday you want to delete. This opens the event's details in a pop-up or side panel. Take a moment to confirm it's the right one by checking the date, time, and any notes or descriptions attached. Inside the event details, look for the trash can icon. This is the delete button. It may appear near the top of the event window or in the toolbar, depending on your screen size. Hovering over it should show a delete label. Click the trash can to delete the event. If you're prompted to confirm, go ahead and confirm. If the event is part of a repeating series, you may be asked whether to delete just this occurrence or the entire series. Choose what fits your situation. After deleting, you'll often see a brief undo option at the bottom of the screen in case you removed the wrong item. That's it. The birthday is now removed from your calendar. You can repeat the same search and delete workflow for any other birthday events you no longer want to see. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly tidy up your Google Calendar.